Welcome to Evans, Colorado, a vibrant and growing community in northern Colorado. Just minutes from Greeley, Windsor, and with quick connections to I-25 and Highway 85, Evans is the perfect place to call home. And right here, you'll find Baessler Construction's newest neighborhood, Liberty Draw. Let's take a look at two of the floor plans available, the Linden and the Camden. Both offer modern layouts designed for everyday living, with open kitchens, spacious gathering areas, and comfortable bedrooms. Whether you're looking for your very first home or something to grow into, these models give you flexibility and style at an affordable price point for your ranch and two-story options. One of the best features of Liberty Draw is its location. When it comes to commuting, access couldn't be easier. You can hop right onto Highway 34 or head south on 37th Street, which takes you west to Colorado 402. You head west on 37th Street. From there, you'll find seamless routes to Loveland, I-25, and other major northern Colorado corridors, giving you multiple options for work, school, or play. Here is the Westcliff floor plan. This design makes smart use of space with a practical layout that still feels open and inviting. Like every home here, it's crafted with Baessler's commitment to quality and efficiency. And when it comes to location, Liberty Draw puts you right in the heart of convenience. You're just minutes from the University of Northern Colorado, downtown Greeley, and Evans' own Riverside Park. A local favorite with trails, open fields, and access to the river. With grocery stores, gyms, and dining options nearby, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Next up is the Redcliffe model, one of Liberty Draw's thoughtfully designed townhome options. These homes feature alley-load garages, which means your front door and landscaping create a welcoming neighborhood feel rather than the look of typical townhome subdivisions. With stylish exteriors, inviting green space, and carefully planned details, the Redcliffe blends functionality with charm. These are your end units in this community, while your Westcliffs are your interior units. Inside, you'll find a layout that's both practical and modern, giving you the perfect balance of comfort and convenience. Another highlight of living here is the access to strong schools. Liberty Draw is part of the Greeley Evans School District 6, which offers a wide variety of educational opportunities, from neighborhood schools to charter programs to advanced placement tracks, all located close by. It's a wonderful benefit for families looking to put down roots in growing communities. And you'll also appreciate the walkability. Just a few minutes from Liberty Draw, you'll find everyday conveniences like restaurants, schools, and shopping. You can stroll right up the street to Coral Bay Wine and Spirits or grab dinner at Hiroshi Teriyaki Grill. Hint, hint, I know who owns those. And if you're in the area, you might even run into me taking my kids for haircuts, all right here on the corner of 35th Avenue and 37th Street. The combination of thoughtful design, nearby amenities, and quality schools makes this townhome a standout option. Here is a look at the Salida model. While we don't have the floor plan to show here, you can see its beautiful curb appeal and how well it fits within the neighborhood. The Salida offers the same attention to detail and craftsmanship that Baessler Construction is known for, giving you lasting value no matter which home you choose. And coming soon, Baessler will be introducing a brand new cottage model here at Liberty Draw, so please stay tuned for more updates. As we drive through Liberty Draw, you'll notice the variety of homes, from traditional single-family residences to charming cottage-style homes and even townhomes. This mix of housing creates a community that feels welcoming and connected. Green spaces, walking trails, and neighborhood parks are woven throughout, giving residents room to play, gather, and enjoy the Colorado lifestyle. The thoughtful design of the neighborhood makes it easy to connect with neighbors, whether you're out for a walk with your dog, meeting friends at a nearby playground, or enjoying an evening bike ride. And beyond the neighborhood itself, Liberty Draw's location means you're closer to Evans community events, local sports complexes, and all the best that Greeley has to offer just a few minutes away. Another thoughtful detail is that homes here come with front yard landscaping already completed, designed with larger areas of xeriscaping. That means lower water usage, easier upkeep, and a clean look that works beautifully in the Colorado climate. You'll also notice how well the master plan has been laid out. The transition from townhomes to single-family homes really feels seamless, giving the community a natural flow instead of feeling divided into sections. This intentional design helps maintain long-term appeal and adds to the neighborhood charm. And Liberty Draw is only going to get better. This community is slated to grow considerably, expanding further west over time. Getting in now at initial pricing only gives you the lifestyle Liberty Draw offers today, but it could also mean added equity as the neighborhood continues to build out and develop. Finally, it's worth noting who is building in this community. Baessler Homes is a locally owned builder and now 100% employee owned. That means the people designing and constructing these homes are also neighbors, friends, and community members who live and play right here in Colorado. Their commitment to quality and to this region runs deep, making Liberty Draw a neighborhood built with pride and care. Baessler Construction's Liberty Draw community offers modern homes, a fantastic location, and a lifestyle you'll love. If you'd like more information or want to schedule a private tour, I'd be happy to show you around. This is Liberty Draw in Evans, Colorado, the perfect place to build your future.